Okay, so as we were sleeping last night, we kept hearing this hee-haw, 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 and come to find out, like, this whole place has got, they call them burros, I think, but they're donkeys. But these little fellas, all right there, and up there, they're just wild as can be. Pretty cool. Oh wow, there's a whole pile full of them. What? I just find it weird how they live out here. Megan is waving currently at the one over here. I don't think it likes any of us, to be honest. I think it just wants to be left alone and eat its dead grass. I bet there's somebody there. Hey, that's my door handle. Get back. No, 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 no. That's my door handle. Oh, crap. You're not going in there. No. These things are kind of hungry. You know what? We're going to town. Where's that gallon of water?
Hi, baby.
You look a little thirsty.
Hey, baby. Who's over there?
In the heart of Arizona's rugged terrain lies a unique legacy, the wild burrows of Oatman. These iconic creatures trace their ancestry back to the gold rush era, when miners brought them to aid in their endeavors. Over time, some escaped into the vast wilderness, carving out a niche in the desert landscape. Despite the arid conditions, these resilient burrows have adapted, consuming only a few gallons of water a day, drawn from the hidden springs and desert plants.
We were nice to the little burros and gave them some water. And, well, Megan's kind of trapped outside.
This is my friend.
And she's trying to get in.
Oh, thank you.
There we go. Now she can get in. They know we're leaving.
All right.
But these are the wild burros on this land, whoever's they are. There's a lot of them.
Look, look. Hi.
This is like the bison tour on Catalina. So we didn't really see this on our way in because it was nighttime, but now that we're here during the daytime and we can see everything, we saw this as we were driving. So if you look closer at it,
It's a donkey crossing.
hey, it's a donkey crossing. Watch out for donkeys. So
Wow.
I thought they were deer at first, and I was like, what the heck? Those are
Yeah, you said that was a
fat looking
huge
deer. But no, they're like burros / donkeys.
Hi. You're too cute. Bye. Okay. Watch out. Bye, baby. Bye, buddy.
Step back in time and traverse the winding roads and Route 66 to discover the charming and storied town of Oatman, Arizona. Nestled in the rugged desert terrain, Oatman is a living relic of the Old West, where the echoes of yesteryears mingle with the vibrant and energy of today. As you approach, the silhouette of the Black Mountains looms on the horizon, framing the town in the timeless embrace. Once a bustling mining outpost, Oatman rose to the prominence during the gold rush era, teeming with prospectors and fortune seekers drawn by the promise of riches hidden within the earth. Today, Oatman wears its history proudly, its streets lined with weathered buildings adorned with tales of days gone by. Stroll along Main Street and you'll encounter a spirited mix of saloons, shops and cafes, each brimming with the character and charm.
It's a museum.
As the journey and exploration through the town progresses, one thing becomes abundantly clear. Oatman, Arizona is more than just a destination. It's a journey back in time, a place where the spirit of the Old West lives on in every dusty trail and whispered tale.
This is the Oatman fire truck. And no, it is not an antique, we learned.
1984 engine.
84 engine, and they still use it
It's their
today.
main car.
Super cool history, they still use it. Okay, so this is for my father. We got a little history lesson. So the lady that was explaining, the fire chief, said this school was the one that was used in most of the main scenes for how the West was won. I just wanted to make sure I got this for my father, who loves Westerns, and see the schoolhouse
Hi, Mr. Tucker.
for how the West was won.
The most iconic residents are its wild burrows, which we met earlier. These descendants were left behind when the mines shuttered. These beloved creatures roam freely through the town, weaving between parked cars, greeting visitors with gentle curiosity. A living testament to the resilience of life in the desert.
There, right here in front of me, you can see like old structure of like mine stuff that they've got. It's really neat. And over here you see like, of course, all the spoils, dirt they dumped. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You see zigzag roads. Look at the cars that have driven off.
Travel back in time along the legendary Route 66, where each mile brings you closer to a desert oasis, Cool Springs gas station in Arizona. Against a backdrop of sweeping desert vistas, this historic stop greets travelers with its vintage charm and weathered allure. The gas station, adorned with old signs and rusted relics, stands as a beacon of nostalgia, inviting visitors to pause and soak in the timeless spirit of America's Mother Road.
Alright, so we've been finding a lot of great views on this road. We just hit up the gas station. It was in the behind the Disney movie Cars, or Pixar movie Cars. That was really wicked cool. But now we got this view coming back down into Oatman, so we're gonna be exploring some more.
Coming back into Oatman, we could see the Christmas lights up for the season in the town. It made the place look even more alive at night.
So me and Megan were in Oatman, and it's lit up for Christmas time. And they have their Christmas lights going. Say hi to the camera, Megan.
Hi.
We ran into one last donkey before making our drive back home. He seemed to be guarding the town against any outlaws attempting to stir up trouble. Thanks for joining us on another adventure.